Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about statistics in SQL Server. This is the last video in this video series, so please try to watch my previous videos if you did not watch so far. I have talked all the detail in very great detail, so please try to watch. So let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand the demo. I'm opening the SQL Server Management Studio. So for timing, I'm using the script for today's demo purpose. Okay, let's try to execute one by one. So before executing, try to enable the actual execution plan. Okay, so for today's demo, I'm using the TBL demo table. So first of all, I will try to execute and we'll see what data it contains. Okay, click on execute. So we can see around 31,000 records in this table and different number of columns we have. Okay, that's very great. And also we will try to verify is there any statistics available for this table. Click on execute. So we will find nothing. It means that there are no statistics available. Now I will try to create one clustered index and one non-clustered index. So I'm creating a clustered index on sales order ID column and creating a non-clustered index on customer ID column. Okay, try to click on both of them. So click on execute. So command complete successfully, and click on this also. So command complete successfully. Now we'll try to verify is there any stats available for this table right now or not. So two statistics are there. One is clustered index one, another one is non-clustered index one. So we can see detail, schema name, table name, what is the object ID, and what is the statistics name, and when it has been updated, and the total number of rows, and how many steps, is there any rows are modified. All the information will get it from this procedure. Okay, that's well and good. Now I will try to run the select statement, select star from TBL demo, where customer ID is equal to 10. I want to fetch the records only the customer ID is equal to 10. Okay, try to click on execute. So now we got around 8 records, right? Now we can see 8 records information. So we'll go to the execution plan. I'll try to zoom it a little bit and we'll understand how many records are it is returning as a estimated number of rows. If you see here, actual number of rows is 8 and estimated number of rows is 7.43. And here also you can see here, actual number of rows are 8 and estimated number of rows are 7.43. Now we'll try to understand how these numbers are coming. 7.43, we'll see that. Now I will try to take the customer ID statistics name. So take this one and paste it here. We'll try to execute it. Sorry, we have taken different one. This one we have to take. We'll try to execute. Now we can see, right? So this is header, this is density, and this is the histogram. So for timing, what we have executed only 10. Now we'll try to verify. So if we look at range high key, so 10 in between 1 and 19, it's the in range high key, 10 value will be available in between 1 and 19. So if we go to this here, so in between a lot of values is there. So that's why we have to take the average range rows. In 1 and 19 in between there are many rows are there. That is the reason we need to take the average range rows. So average range rows is 7.4375. okay, I'll try to copy it. So I'll paste it here. Now I'll try to execute it here. Now let's zoom it a little bit. Okay, you can see it. 7.43 estimated number of rows, right? Same thing, it's coming 7.43 something, correct, right? Okay, likewise it is giving the estimated number of rows. So now we'll try to execute one more example. Select stuff from TBL demo where customer ID is equal to 70. Let's try to execute it. Now we got only 3 records, right, as output. So we'll try to verify the same thing. Let's try to zoom it. Now we can see that actual number of rows are 3 and estimated number of rows are 5.72. Here also 5.72222. We'll try to verify the same thing. Okay, for 70, click on execute. Now go to here. So in between the only 54 and 75, in between 70 is there, right? So in between there are many values are there, so we need to take the average range rows. So here average range rows is 5.7222. I'll try to copy it here. So try to execute one more time and we will see. Go to the execution plan, zoom it. Now we can see 5.72222, 5.72222. It's giving exactly right. Likewise it is giving the estimated number of rows. We'll try to change for the other column. So far we have discussed customer ID, but this time I'm taking the contact ID is this one. So we'll try to verify the same thing. So for this contact ID we have the, for this value we got 2 records only, and we'll try to verify the same thing. So for 2 records it is returning 1.44504. For 2 records actual number of rows are 2 and estimated number of rows are 1.44504. okay, we'll try to verify the same thing. Go to this statistics and take this one. Just now it has created statistics for this column contact ID, and try to take it as copy and paste it here. Try to click on execute, and I will try to verify 3551. So if you notice here in between only this value will be there, right, 3551. So we need to take the average range rows. So average range rows is 1.445. Try to click on execute. 2 rows, zoom it. Now we can see 1.44504. See, very close to that, right? So likewise we are estimating the cardinal estimation for any operators between by using statistics. So likewise we can find. So this is the last video in this statistics series. So please try to watch all the videos. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email, or if you have any doubts, so drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. That's all for today's video. So we'll see you next video. Thank you so much for watching.